What's up all you Tabaholics? This is Paul here, aka Blaster Manga, back with another video. Now most of you guys will be starting to receive your worker Swift, which has arrived from across the sea over the air. And I've had some time to play with the Swift, so I want to make this video to highlight a few problems, or should I say one problem that I have with the Swift. Just thought I'll kill two birds with one stone as well, because I have just received the 1.6 spring and the 55 centimeters barrel. And with that, I'm going to show you one weak point, one critical weak point that you should look out for in your worker Swift. Right, so this is the Swift, alright. If you look here, this is the dart gate that holds the barrel in place. And this is a screw here. When you tighten it, it presses against the barrel and holds onto the dart gate itself. Now this creates an enormous pressure on the dart gate. Now what happened is, when workers ship out the first batch of the worker Swift, the dart gate looks like the Omega logo. So guys, this is how the dart gate of the first few batches look like. The side walls are thick, but the top, right, is just one flat, very thin piece of plastic. The barrel screw goes here, it presses on this flat end and it cracks. And this is what happened to mine. As you can see, a very deep crack line has appeared, and this is gonna cause you to lose your seal. And you can see here, this is the crack. The barrel misaligns, the seal is broken, and that's why I don't have a full seal. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do when you receive your Swift is check whether you have received this dart gate. If you have received this dart gate, reach out to the people that you bought it from and try and see if you can get the reinforced dart gate. I did the same. I reached out to Worker directly and they sent me the reinforced dart gate, and here it is. So I don't know if you can see here, this is how the new dart gate looks like, right? It's reinforced at the top. You can see it's a lot thicker at the top, where previously it's just one very thin piece of plastic. I am gonna just swap the old dart gate out and attach the new dart gate. So I'm pretty sure they will be using this new dart gate for future production and future badges. And here is a reenactment of what happened at the worker factory.
Impeccable. Put these into circulation.
So here's what's gonna happen when your dart gate cracks, okay? Other than the barrel coming loose, you are going to lose seal. And I'm going to show you the leakage. I'm not too sure if the mic can pick it up. So there you have it. The leak is pretty bad, alright? You can't rely on this dart gate anymore, alright? And it's very important that you get the dart gate swapped. So I've taken apart the Swift, and this is the front half. We're going to remove all these small little screws holding the two halves together to get to the dart gate. So let's go. Alright, pump grip is out. All of it is out now, so we just open one half out, and you can see the dart gate is held on by two screws. So just remove these two screws. Remove the barrel screw. So that's it, you take out the old dart gate. Right, so this is the new dart gate that we're going to install, and we just need to slot it in like so, and then screw back on the dart gate. So now that the dart gate is on, we're going to make sure that the barrel is aligned. Remember to transfer the barrel screw from your old dart gate over. Just going to also take this opportunity to show you the screw that holds on to the barrel. If you can see very clearly here, there is a silicone padding on top of the screw, and this is what prevents the barrel from getting scratched whenever you tighten the barrel. Very clever design by worker that they thought about all these kind of things. So just gonna put on the barrel screw, nice and tight. So if you can see here, alignment is no issue. I push the priming bar forward and it goes into the barrel just fine. So we're gonna put everything back together and see if the leak is still there. Rails are on. Gonna make sure the both ends of the palm grip stays together with this small screw first. Make sure the slide is aligned. Right, and we are good. One more test. Looks good. Gonna put the other half back on while also changing out the spring to the 1.6 spring. On goes the 1.6 spring. 2 and 3. So everything is assembled back. Let's test out the seal. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Alright man, 100% seal once again with the replaced dart gate. So there you have it guys, a quick fix or something to look out for when you receive your worker Swift, and be mindful of the weak point if you have the weaker dart gate. If this video helped you, do leave a thumbs up down below. I'm going to leave the testing for the 1.6 spring and the barrel in a later video where I'm going to try out 3 different darts, the AF Pro Worker Gen 3 darts as well as the new improved Worker Gen 3 darts that are in black. We're going to test out the numbers and see what numbers we're getting with the new Gen 3 black color darts. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.